Whoa.
Nah, nah, nah.
Whoa. 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 We up to 40 on the opposite and we
Poppin' gang, we're jumping right into this video. So I am using this Kinky Curl 12-inch hair by Bobbi Boss, and this is what it looks like. And I was just feeling real foxy, so you know, this is why I got this hair. And I felt like being a twin with my friend Gigi because she always wears big hair and I just love it. The hair out of the package I'm showing you all, and then also this is the hairs that I left out, kind of to play with baby hair, but I end up wearing more so bangs. But this is just if I wanted to somewhat cover like my braids and stuff. And I put some of this olive oil smooth and hold pudding. I really like this, and I love it for twist outs. I use it for my clients who do twist outs. And then this is my braid pattern. You can choose whatever braid pattern. I always like to do small braids and then go in the front and then go into big braids in the back, just to kind of speed the process. So do whatever works best for you. And then so when I started in the back, I actually took like 3 pieces of the crochet hair, and then once I got towards the front, it was like single pieces. But you can, I was trying to figure out how like full it was gonna look, but I feel like I could have actually lightened up in the back because I didn't even use all packs of the hair. I probably used like, I got 5 packs. I had 1 pack left. I had a pack and a half left over, so I guess 3.5 packs. And I honestly think you only need 3 because of how big the hair is. So, yep. So if you're new to crochet, this is a very simple hairstyle, a great protective style, I think. It's also quick. It took me, well, I'm always doing a whole bunch of stuff, but usually it only takes me 2 hours to do everything. So like braid it, put all the crochet hair in, and I feel like that's fast compared to getting a weave or individual braids and stuff like that. I mean, I just be popping on wigs, but for the most part, it's a quick kind of, you know, hairstyle or whatever. But I have other videos on my channel as well if you're looking to have like the front look natural and not have bangs like I did. But yeah, so when I do the front part of the hair, I actually do, well, I actually do every braid individually, so I just go up 1 braid, if that makes sense. And this is how I also make it look natural. So, but I actually have a video on my channel that I'll put up here, so you guys can have the link to. So for this part, I'm just showing you how I'm going to just fill in the big braids, and then I'm going to do each of the small braids individually. So I'm just literally going up those, and yeah.
That's good.
I took a step back from the mirror and I was like, all right, let's trim these ends. So I trimmed up some of the ends, kind of framed it up. Just loving how it was looking. It was so big, so great. Ugh, loved it. And then I was kind of just playing with it, trying to figure out, like, what I wanted to do, how I wanted to wear it. And I figured out, I decided I wanted to wear bangs. I'm not really a fan of bangs, but today I was, because it just was so fitting. So I took some scissors, cut me some bangs, and then I was out and ready to go, okay? So hopefully you all enjoyed this video, and like I always say, don't forget to like if you guys like it, don't forget to comment if you guys want to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I will see you all in my next video.